Sili. Ba't hindi pa yung nagtanim ng labuyo? Mas mahal. Magkano ba may labuyo?
600.
600.
600.
You can make accessories on it.
Yeah, very expensive.
Because this is 3,000 square meters. This one. So with this grover, they can plant fruits, vegetables. Yes, this is all before time.
You get the water from the pumping station. Water goes into directly. Whatever the plant is not used, collect it down here, collect it, and send back to the tank. To irrigate the double use of the water, fertilizer.
Yung pressure.
para ano sila pala.
It's greener.
That here is much higher than outside.
Ganda ng mga
Green and full green.
Green and blue.
Yes.
Masustansya.
Lagay natin sa Yes.
And this thing produces.
Here we produce one plant from
One plant.
producing 120 tons per year. This year. A year, 120 tons per year. One grown plant. That's it. Producing 2 cycles a year. Mini sweet pepper. That's it.
How many times you change the bed?
3. Four cycles. And we put it in the open field. So we take this and mix it with the soil. Mix it with
So that's the miscellaneous operation. But you, at least you have 3 cycles.
and you use it to improve the open field. And now we're looking for a new option.
Or even selling.
Even sell it to nurseries. Nurseries buy it, by the way. And it's the cocoa is produced material.
Lelan. Hoy!
That's the gold mine. Melon na po ang amoy.
Mas mainit na siya. Oo, mainit na. Mainit na ng kargan.
Cesar, no? Cesar. Cesar. Para ka nang bumili sa Japan. Galing ka. Walang biyo. Kami quality.
Ganda.
Para ka nang nasa Japan. Mahal-mahal nito. How long? 2 2 months. In one trunk, one piece.
If we want to maintain the quality, we use one. We can put two, but we want the highest quality. We're looking only for stable quality.
So all the nutrients and all other things goes only into one dish.
And then you get
So when you see one is very good, you
take it out. Yes, because then you get the same size, you get the same sweetness, you get the same product. If you start doing 2 or 3, you get maybe more kgs per plant, but the quality is not the same. They're in different sizes and different bricks that have sugar. And we're speaking about quality. The melon cycle is built so that it's not like the capsicum or cherries, where you harvest every week. Cherry you harvest every week. 500 kg, and that's about 1 ton per week. Here in the melon, it's all right at the same time. So you need to harvest at one time, about 5.5, 6 tons when it's ready. So you need to build your operation around 3 weeks of time. It's taking
still
take the plant out, and start at the size.
Yan yung green ng laman.
busy po harvest.
Ano yung green ng laman. Pero favorite ko. Parang honeydew.
Pero iba yung quality natin. Diba? Matagal yung shelf life. Hindi siya mabilis matuloy.
Ang ganda-ganda na nga quality niya.
How many
Here now, this is in the final stages. We're going to harvest it by the end of this week, starting next week, depending on the sugar level. And we are now stressing the plant, not giving it a lot of water. We want it to send all of the energy and the sugars to the fruit. So this is really the end of the final stages.
the leaves is decided?
Stress the end. You have to stress the plant. Stress it. What's the thing of the water accumulation? That's it. If you're outside, you cannot control. Whereas here you can control, and then produce like what's this?
Honeydew.
Sarwa.
Grabe yung quality. Kasi na quality talaga. Walang pekas eh. Kumbaga walang acne sa mukha. Flawless. Parang binibelo yung yung mga prutas dito. Honeydew.
Cherry tomatoes. Okay na kung makakuha nito. Ang ganda naman yung shirt ko. More pages.
You're in a dangerous.
Ito.
So you pick every day with this size?
3 times a week.
3 times a week.
3 times a week you have harvest. If you have a special big order, you see that really now the plants look phenomenal. Here we're moving towards the yellow varieties that we had before. You see the amount of fruit per plant is very, very big. It's not very, very common that you see this amount of fruit. Once you take it up, you actually here in this type of method, we have no transfer. You take it out so they're not on top of each other getting diseases. You're opening in between the lines so air is flowing. That's the main problem, the humidity and the heat. Once you get the air flowing, all the diseases come down, all the pathogens come down, and you're much more.
And this did not to have climate control except for natural wind.
Sun.
So usually in the morning it's open, and it's closed during the day. If it's a cloudy day, we open the whole day to get the right amount of sunlight.
A little bit about the structure. So why do we need such a big structure and not a smaller one? The thing is we have the overlapping arch. Meaning one arch is lower, and one arch is higher, and all the hot air is going up and just getting thrown out of the greenhouses, meaning that the air changes are much more frequent when you go to higher structures. So if we're in the tropics, we want to produce commercial level, we need to have these higher structures in place.
By the way,
Yes, Canoe supervisors of the greenhouses, handling a lot of people, the different what we have.
Kanina pa bumubulong sa akin, sorry. Si Ron.
So instead of one for irrigating it by hand, we just irrigate it easily. You can do all the things regular wastewater. What else about this? There is a capacity in these nurseries to produce actually 10 products. For example, Jamaica, our supervisor. Again, the climate control here, the humid wall, the fans, the irrigation net, all of them all the time working together. We have a sensor over there that we program for our pressure, irrigation control, temperature and humidity pressure. So once you program the system, it works like